Hello, I'm Amanda Blanks. Welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. This is a review of a stunning heel. It's a 7-inch Radiant in, wait for it, woo! Glow in the dark, hot pink. So under black lights, this just absolutely lights up. If it's a completely blacked out dark room, you could be walking along and all you'll see is the hot pink shoe just glowing. They are such a radiant color. That's the name of the shoe. If you want to see the tag to look up the shoe, here it is. That's the code in case you want to have a buy of it. Usually we post the links. If there's no links, it's either sold out or we haven't put it up yet. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And then the packaging with Pleaser shoes is always absolutely amazing. They do everything to the highest quality. You get a little travel bag with the foam in it to keep your shoes separated and fresh if you're going on a trip somewhere and you don't want them to be clanging around and getting scratches on them. And this is the other one. So they're a bit wider than the Adore, the Radiant style. Whoops. Sorry, I'm just making a mess here. As you can see, the sole of the shoe is a little bit wider, a little bit more on the heel. And then you get the beautiful gold embellished logo, and then the squishy memory foam under here, which is really, really lovely for the bottom of your feet. And then this pink is, it's metallic, so, not metallic, sorry, matte. So it's not shiny, but I wish we had black lights in here so we could try them on and see it, but trust me, they definitely glow in the dark. We have lots of girls that love these and models that wear them to parties or whatnot. And the bottom is very grippy. So I'll show you them when I put them on my feet. This is a size 8, by the way, guys. I normally wear a size 7, but sometimes I like to go an 8 just to see how it feels. Sometimes with the clear tops as well, you might want to go a little bit bigger because the clear doesn't have a lot of stretch initially. But a trick with that is to use a hairdryer. You can just blow the hairdryer on there and it'll warm it up and stretch out. But I think in this one I would, I don't know what, I'll walk in it and then I'll let you know if I'd like a 7 or an 8 better. But if you just come in here, you can just see this buckle here. It's a chrome buckle, so it's not going to get all wrecked. And then you've got this all nicely reinforced and double stitched all the way down there. So they're really done well. They're not going to rip or stretch or whatever. These shoes will stay nice for a long time. Okay, so let's see what these are like. Okay, I would probably go a 7 just to make it a little bit tighter around my foot because I don't like to slide around in the shoes. But we'll, oh, I have a thread on my ankle and I just can't deal with it, guys. I have to, okay, there we go. Don't want that in the video, do we? Okay, let's do a stroll. Yeah, I would probably go a 7 because I feel like I do have a little bit more movement in this than I normally do. These are an 8, but the best bet is you come down to our store. We are in Brisbane, Upper Strathpine. You can try all the shoes on. As you can see, we have a lot of shoes in here. Hundreds and hundreds of shoes. We're always getting new ones in, so we really love it. If you come in, I might be here doing a video, who knows. So go for a walk again. And then I'll just give you guys a close-up so you can see just how this all looks. And then you can kind of see the grippy bottom here as well when I'll show you what that looks like. So they're really good if you're walking on different surfaces. You're definitely going to be feeling nice and secure. And I love the double wedge bit at the front. This makes it so much easier on your foot because your arch isn't so aggressive. You've got like a lot less of a arch that your foot's put on, so the angle isn't too high. So you can wear this for a long time and your feet won't get sore. And the glow in the dark is still super, super bright in daylight as well. It's not just going to be light under black lights, which are really popular in parties these days. This will like shine throughout the day. But anyway, I'd love to see these. If anyone has them in the dark, send the photos in to us and we can put them on our Instagram if it's good. So yeah, but we'll go and see what these look like outside in daylight because we're in the studio, in the salon, in the shoe shop right now. But yeah, I am loving these. They are very comfortable. Okay, it's a bit overcast, but I think that they'll still look quite bright because the sky is still quite bright. walk in, I can't complain. And the grip is always really lovely on the pleaser shoes. You can see them close up at the colour when we're in the outside light. It's still extremely neon pink. It's super bright. They absolutely stand out. I love how it's just really, really bold and bright on the bottom, and then the top is completely clear. So it drags so much attention to the shoe, which I think is a beautiful part about this particular heel that Pleaser has done. The Radiants are a really, really nice style, and they definitely make you look nice and tall and long. You can just see them in the light here. You can even do like neon nail polish as well to match it. Glow in the dark nail polish with the pink would look gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Please let us know in the comments what you're thinking about these shoes. If you like the glow in the dark style, we have a lot of girls that come in and they love getting this style. There's something different and a really unique high heel. And I love hearing from you guys too. Make sure you check out my Instagram. We'll put a link for that as well. And you are the people who make our channel, so if you are liking it, put in the comments, give us a like and subscribe so you never miss a video. We've got the bell at the top and you'll get notifications. We're always doing new stuff because Pleaser always has new shoes and they always need to be reviewed. See you next time. Bye.